What a fine day it is, isn't it, everybody? Do watch a tutorial video, and in today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can go live on TikTok without 1,000 followers. So there's two criteria to go live on TikTok. The first one is to be above 16. So when you're creating your TikTok account, make sure you create a TikTok account which is above 16 years old. All right. And the other thing is you need 1,000 followers. But if you guys don't have 1,000 followers, by watching this video until the end, you guys should be able to go live without having 1,000 followers. So follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. First step, go on where it says profile at the bottom. Click on the three line at the top right corner and then scroll a bit down. And where it says report a problem, click on report a problem. Now once you click on report a problem, over here scroll a bit down and there's going to be the live option. Click on live. Once you're in live, wait for some time and it's going to show you many options over here. And from over here, you want to click live is suspended. Once you click on live is suspended, wait for some time, and is your problem resolved? You want to click on no. Once you click on no, it's going to ask you need more help. You want to click on need more help. Once you click on need more help, over here you want to write this. So you want to write this: I used to go live and my viewers loved it, so can you please fix the issue of me not being able to go live? So once I click on report, this problem is going to be reported to TikTok, and TikTok staff will view it and they'll try to allow you to go live again. Now this is the only way to go live, and for some people it worked and for some it didn't. So there's a 50-50% chance it's going to work or not, all right? But this is the only way you guys can do it. So there's nothing wrong with just trying, all right? You better go for the 50% because it might work for you. And before that, if you guys want to leave our channel, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel for future videos like this. And I'll be seeing you guys on my next video. Bye bye until then, and peace out.